Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much for supporting my all videos. You watch my videos but you don't like it and share it, so I would request you to like my all videos and share with your colleagues, your friends who are learning the Tableau and who are willing to learn the BI. So today's question is how to explain the Tableau project or your Tableau work experience. Okay, so this question is especially for you. I will assume there are two main categories of audience. Like first one is the absolute fresher or who don't have the relevant work experience, like no work experience. Second one is the experienced persons with some sort of experience in Tableau or BI domain. Okay, so depends upon your nature of work, you have to prepare the answer for this particular question accordingly. Okay, so before answering this question, very first thing is you must know how to use the Tableau desktop. So use of Tableau, you must aware about a basic concepts of the Tableau. And third thing, you must know the how to, I mean, you must have faced some real-time real time problem while operating this Tableau tool, and your problem statement and your answer or solution to that problem. So these three things are very important while answering this question. Okay, so if you are not sure like how to answer this particular question, you have to work on some projects. You have to do some project by your own, and while working on your own project you will face some problems related to data preparation, problems related to some calculation, problem related to adjusting some charts, and problem related to the you may guess like logic behind all calculation. Okay, so you will face this problem while you are working on any mini project or you are on current work experience or current work environment or in your current job. So you have to note this problem. Very first step is to note the problem statement. Second, do research to fix that problem and make a note of it. Okay, now you have to prepare a note with your problem statement and solution. What was the problem and how did you fixed or rectified that problem? Okay, so this supposed to be done from your side. So if you do it genuinely by your own, you will not face any problem to explain your Tableau related work or Tableau project. Okay, now second is like how to explain the Tableau dashboard. Explain the Tableau dashboard. So this will come with practice. It is not like if you are preparing some Tableau desktop application, like here is a pie chart, here is the line chart, here is some bar graphs, here is some uh, tabular data or xyz, or you are adjusting some filters over here, putting out the title like this. So once you are done with your project, you have to record your screen and try to explain all these charts, try to explain the calculations behind these charts, what exactly this line graph is presenting, what this bar graph is presenting, what this tabular data showing, what these filters are stands for, and you have to try to explain to yourself basically, like how to do it. You have to do a demo presentation with yourself with no audience and record it, and then you have to listen to your recording and you have to note down your mistakes. So record yourself or your presentation and review your presentation on your own. Note down the mistakes what you are doing. You will figure out it, because if you don't like some words or the way you are explaining the stuff, you will figure it out and you have to just make it in proper organized way. That's it. So that is how you supposed to explain your Tableau desktop Tableau dashboard basically. Okay, now in upcoming videos what I will try to do, I will create a dashboard in one video, and in second video I will do a presentation with you guys, and in third, whatever questions you have on this dashboard I will pick from the comment section and try to create another video to answer those questions. So that will be Q&A based on the dashboard. So whatever technical doubts you have, you can ask into comment section. I will collect all the relevant question and will again create another video and share with you guys. So with this practice you will get a good understanding how to explain the Tableau project and how to present yourself confidently basically. So I hope you like this video. Hit the thumbs up button, share your dots in the comment section, and do let me know if you have any query or any doubts or any question related to Tableau or any BI related. So we'll try to make a video on that, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, happy learning.